Hello guys, welcome to Via Narte. Today we're going to be making some white paint. So we're going to use some Flow acrylics, some Floetrol, some OGX coconut milk, some water, and we're going to mix it all in this cup and put it in this white container.
Okay, so first we mix the white paint in the cup, like this. That should be good. And then we add the Floetrol, and to the Floetrol I use a sock, a pantyhose, to strain the dry pieces or the dry Floetrol. So it goes like this. Then we mix it. It's a little too thick still. Add a little bit of water. And it's still too thick, so more Floetrol. And the consistency should be like warm honey. Yeah, something like this. Then we add a few drops of coconut milk, like so. And now the mix is ready to be poured into the container. So there you have it. White paint mix. Floetrol, OGX coconut milk, white paint, and a little bit of water. Thanks for watching.